Hello, I'm Steve with Michaels Valley Plumbing, one of the field supervisors. We service the San Fernando Valley, Los Angeles, Orange County, and beach cities. We currently have a $99 sewer cleaning special with a free inline inspection. We have a fleet of service trucks, 24/7 radio dispatch. We perform repairs, remodels, repipes, and replacements of all water heaters, toilets, faucets, and all your plumbing needs. We have repair parts, flappers, stems, fill valves, and we also have toilets. We have a wide range of faucets and shower valves. We are currently offering free tankless water heater with any purchase of any major copper repipe. Restrictions do apply. We have a dedicated sewer crew that perform inline video inspection, locating, pipe bursting, sewer relining, sewer cleaning, hydrojetting service, commercial or residential. Please call us today, 877-976-4242.
Call Michaels Valley Plumbing today, your MVP for all your plumbing needs.
We have repair parts. We have flappers, toilets. How about a fill valve?